Hello student, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about Dbms. So what is Dbms? Dbms is for database management system. Okay, database management system. So it is a kind of system software for creating and managing database. It is a software for creating and managing database. So what is database? Database is a collection of interrelated data. In today's world, we know that data is very important. Okay, so we need to manage those data in an efficient manner. Okay, what do you understand by the efficient manner? That whenever we require some kind of data, it should be available to us. It should not happen in a way that we are having all kind of data, but the time when we require it, we do not have the actual content. Okay, so it is a software which is used for creating and managing database. Okay, so that is a DBMS. So DBMS is a software package designed to store, you can see over here, it is designed to store, retrieve, query and manage the data. As we all know that how actually initially the data was used to be stored, and now it is stored in various, with the help of various database management software. So over here your main task of their software or the database management system is to store. Okay, first we are going to store the data, then we are going to retrieve the data. Okay, whenever we are going to put a query, then the relevant data should be retrieved to the user, to the application developer, or any other thing. Okay, and we are going to manage the data. Okay, so you can say that it is used for retrieval, insertion, deletion of the data. Okay, so what exactly the database management system is going to do? It is going to accept the request for the data either from the application or directly from the user interface of the database management system. It is going to instruct the operating system to provide the specific data. Okay, whereas the database management system can also help user and other third party software store and retrieve the data. Database management system allows the user to create their own database as per their requirement. Okay, so you are getting what do you understand by the word database management system? Database management system is a system software which is used for creating and managing the database. And what is database? Database is a collection of interrelated data. Okay, like for example, there will be one database for banking system. There will be another database for the airline system. Okay, so over here we are having two different databases. Okay, so database is a collection of interrelated data. Okay, we cannot say the information in the shop, okay, is related to anything with the airlines. Okay, so both are the different database. So we need to manage those kind of database. Okay, and you also know that what is actually the data is nothing but a piece of information. Okay, the process information is the data. Okay, for example, if you are going to have, you can say over here that one student is there, Ram. Okay, who is 20 years old. Okay, and who lives in Mumbai, for example, and another is Raju. Okay, who is 22 years old and who lives in Delhi. Okay, so now this information is a process information. Okay, but I put this information in any manner like this. Okay, if I put this information in any manner like this, Ram, I put Raju over here. Okay, 20, then I put here Delhi. Okay, and I put over here in this manner. Okay, so does this data is going to make any kind of sense to you? No. First we require to process those kind of information whatever we are having in our hand. Okay, we are going to process it properly, and then we are going to feed in the database management system. We are going to put it in a system in a particular manner depending upon whatever database we are going to use, depending upon whatever DBMS we are going to use depending upon our requirement. Okay, I hope you are getting what I'm teaching, that what exactly is a database management system, because I was also a professor for 10 years. Okay, so when I ask the student about what is DBMS, they just give me the few statement, but what exactly it is a system software for creating and managing your database. Okay, because database is very important, you know. When if you are going to make any kind of application, your application is incomplete without the managing of the DBMS. Okay, otherwise it will be just a static system, and no one will prefer those static system. Okay, we are living in a dynamic world. Okay, so that is all about DBMS. So which are the popular DBMS? So these are some popular DBMS. Okay, Oracle, DBase, MySQL, SQLite, IBM DB2, LibreOffice. Okay, all these are the popular DBMS. So as already I have told you that you will prefer the DBMS depending upon your requirement, whether you want the open source DBMS, what is your requirement, whether you want object oriented DBMS, whether you require the network kind of DBMS. Okay, what kind of model you want to use, depending upon that you will prefer any of the, but the basic concept of what DBMS does, how it does, what are the schema, what is a foreign key primary, all these concepts are going to remain the same. Okay, and what are the application? Obviously the applications are, it is used in the banking, it is used in the airlines. So how it can be used in the banking system? For storing the customer information, for storing the user activities, for storing the payment regarding activities. Okay, so that is a banking. For airlines, for reservation system, for schedule of the information it is used. In university, for keeping the information regarding the student, about the course registration, about the colleges, about the grades, you are going to use this. Okay, so and so on. So you can say that every system, every organization requires a DBMS. Okay, every organization requires DBMS. So we need to implement a proper, we need to use a proper DBMS to store their data in a proper and efficient manner. Okay, I hope you understand my lecture. Okay, so this is all about the basic concept about the DBMS. Okay, if you have any query, kindly put in the comment box, and we'll see you soon in our next lecture. Thank you.